Everyone, myself Arun, and I hope all you are doing well. So today in this video, I'm going to discuss some of the steps which are involved in starting the project and till the project completion. So myself Arun, and today, if you are looking for Google Sheets and Excel contractual services, so I will be providing you how we can just reach and get in touch with each other, and we can just create a project, and then you can just uh, you can just utilize my skills, and we can just make the project successful. So this is my professional summary. Basically, I am having 7 years of expertise in Google Sheets and Excel, and I am performing data analysis, visualizations, and automations, and as well as complex calculation in Excel. So I'm creating I've created many dashboards in Excel, as well as automations, VBA macros. So as well as I'm also creating Google Data Studio dashboards and Google Apps scripts. So if you are looking these kinds of services, so you can just we can discuss it maybe further. And these all are the services I'm providing in Microsoft Excel, Excel formulas, data analysis, visualizations, macros, pivot tables, and VBA automations. Again, in Google Sheets, same with Google App scripts, automations, pivot tables. I'm also providing PDF solutions. Uh, so if you are looking for PDF solutions as well, so you can just reach me out. PDF to Excel conversions, PDF editing, fillable forms, PDF automations. Again, PowerPoint solutions as well. So these all are the services currently I'm providing. Then how we can just start the project. So this is the project starting process, which starts with the initial sharing of requirements. So if you want to connect with me, just I'm sharing my WhatsApp and email details. So just you can first share the requirements of the project, whatever you have. So you can just share an email. Once I have the requirements, once that email reaches to me, I will be checking the requirements, and then we can just set up a meeting, because I'm currently in the Indian time zone. So maybe if you are on the other time zone, we can just set up a meeting or Google Meet or Zoom after discussing the convenient time. So I hope that might be easier for us to get the requirements created, and then we can discuss for the payment part. So basically, I use PayPal and bank transfers and TransferWise as a payment methods, and also we can just discuss for the payment for the project. So if you are looking for a short-term projects, then we can discuss for one time go fixed cost project. Or if you are looking for a long project, so we can just make it for hourly, and we can, or maybe you can just set up the milestones, and once the particular work has been done, then you can just release the milestone. You can release the payment. So this is how I work. Then after the milestone setup, we can just have the follow-up. So this is also a very important phase of the project, because follow-ups are very important, so that we are on the same page. I am working, and if you have some requirements, maybe if you need some other requirements, you can just reach me out definitely. And also definitely, if I need your help, then definitely I will be just following up. Maybe we can just discuss the follow-ups using Slack or WhatsApp or email. And if you are having some different platform, then we can just discuss for it. And yeah, for the follow-ups part, you can just use that platform as well. After then, once the work has been set, once I have completed the work in the file, so I will be sharing you the file, and just you can just take, you can just check the file. Maybe you can take 1 or 2 days, and if all goes well, you can just release the payment. And if you need some more help or some more changes in the file, then definitely you can just send me that workbook. I will definitely updating that file. And yeah, so maybe you can just look over the file once. Once you release the payments, we can just mark the project as complete. And I will be giving you, some of the time, if you require some help in the formulas, or if you find some issues in automations, then definitely you can just reach me out. I will not charge any cost for that. So this is a after sales service for me. So don't worry about that one. So this is how I proceed with all other clients. So that's the project completion part. Then this is our team. So this is me. This is my another team member who is a database specialist, and Shivam is a Power BI specialist. So we three working currently. We are 3 members in our team. And then we have the project life cycle. So this is what we are currently have discussed. Email, initial touch base, maybe email, WhatsApp, Slack. Then we can just decide for the cost, payment terms, and contract. Then we can just also the requirements. We can just reach out using email, WhatsApp, Slack again. And then finally the project delivery, payment completed. Then the project has been completed. So that's all in the video. These all are my details. So you can just reach me out over my email address. This is my email address. This is my phone number. This is my US number. So if you are residing in the US, it will be free of cost to you, as well as you can just reach me out over WhatsApp, and instead of calling this number. Yeah. So on WhatsApp, so yeah, you can use WhatsApp as well. So this is all from this video. I hope this information that I have provided maybe you find useful. So definitely I wish you all the best, for we will both having good work connected. We will connect with each other, and I will be delivering you a nice work, because I have a lot of feedbacks. I have completed around many projects, around 100 many projects have completed with all good reviews. I will be sharing my work profiles in the description part of this video, so you can just reach me out anywhere. So thanks, and have a good day. Take care, and bye bye.